Hello everyone. So today let us take a look at one really simple way to exclude a subtree from your agenda. Now the use case is very simple. Let us say you are working on a document where you have some to-do keywords in front of your subtree, and to-do means that you want to do something. It is probably a task, or it is something that you want to remind yourself. And when you have to-do items, you also may have dates associated with them, but it might not be always desirable to look at those to-do items in your agenda, because if something needs to be done, then it doesn't really mean that you want to do it and you want to actually see those items in your agenda. Agenda means that agenda is like your own secretary that will always remind you that today you have to do these things. It is like a personal planner view, but not each and every to-do item needs to be there in your agenda. And a very simple way to exclude those items is to basically prefix your subtree with the comment keyword. That is it. And there are a couple of ways of doing it. Let me show you. For example, if you have this particular to-do item, like this is a task. Now you can obviously do this in front of your to-do, or anywhere you can actually add a comment, right? This is of course one way of doing it. Or when you're basically at your task level, you can press Ctrl C and semicolon. It will insert this comment tag in front of the subtree. And there is also one more way of doing it, which is basically this command, because the key binding Ctrl C semicolon is basically calling or basically using this command called org toggle comment, and that is it. It is of course a simple way. Now whenever you have any to-do item where you may have a comment keyword in front of the task, it will of course not appear in the agenda. And this is sometimes, and at least for me, really useful thing, because I want my agenda to be very clear, and when I look at my agenda, I want to see the items or things that I really want to do on a specific day. And this particular small keyword thing that I want to insert in front of the task comment is really useful, and I thought I'll probably share it with all of you. So that is all I wanted to talk about today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much.